You can preach. And the good news about the kingdom will be preached throughout the whole world. Matthew chapter 24 verse 14. We are stewards of the gospel. The power to proclaim the greatest news in heaven or on earth was not given to the angels. It was given to redeemed men. This was addressed to humble laymen. Some think that only ministers are to preach, but that is wrong. Every Christian is to be a witness, every follower of Christ is to preach the gospel. We can preach by sharing our experience with others. We can preach by exalting Christ in our daily lives. Sermons which are seen are often more effective than those which are heard. The truth is, the best sermons are both heard and seen. They are a sort of audio-visual testimony. We can also preach by giving to others, so they may preach. Missionary gifts, church offerings, and charitable contributions all speak eloquently of your unselfishness and Christian generosity. In all these things, we are partners with God. We are helping by His grace to redeem the world. God needs our time, our talents, our witnessing, and our money, today more than at any other time in history. Become a full, working partner with God. Prayer for the day. Wherever I go today, make me conscious of the people I meet. They need your love. So whether I can speak of you to them, say a kind word or minister in any way, I would be like you, Lord, ever loving,